What's up, guys and gals? I hadn't done a review in a while. I needed some new tips for my welder, and I needed some more flux core wire. I figured I might as well go ahead and give the KT Industries gasless flux core wire a shot. I do have their welding hood and I like it, so and I went ahead and got the 030 contact tips from KT Industries as well. I'm sure they'll be just about like every other tip on the market. They're all copper. Anyways, we're gonna give the gasless wire a little once around and see how well it performs. Got a little bit of metal here to weld together. Not a lot, but it will give me an idea of what I am looking at and what I think about it, and that's all these videos are. I'm not trying to sell you jack squat. These are just videos to tell you what I think about the products. And I figured I hadn't done a review in a while, so I figured I'd grab me some KT Industries flux core wire. So we'll get that all put together, and I'll do a little bit of welding for you, and then I'll tell you what I think about it, how I think it performs. And then you can either buy some or not, and judge for yourself. Okay, this is just some junk metal, obviously, and this is just for the video, so I was just doing a few different things, and well, I'll be quite honest. I have to say that it's a little dirty. It welds really good. It seems to be very smooth in consideration, and there doesn't seem to be a lot of spatter in consideration, as what it is it's flux core, so it's gonna have spatter, of course, no matter how you look at it. I dare to say I give it a thumbs up. I really have to say that it's not bad. It's a little dirty. You gotta clean it quite a bit, but other than that, it doesn't seem to spatter a lot. Doesn't have a lot of little BBs, as some people call them, but it seems to do quite well, and it's relatively smooth. And of course, I got a new tip on there, so that probably helped quite a bit too. I'd put it right there, just under just under the Hobart wire, and just about with the Lincoln wire. I'd put it right there with the Lincoln wire. Maybe a little bit smoother than the Lincoln wire. I hate to say that, but anyways, okay guys, gals, yeah, my little review of the KT Industries 0.030 tips and the Flux core wire. I have to say, I give it a thumbs up. Really, it was very smooth. It sounded good. Didn't pop a lot. Like I say, it was a little bit dirty. You had to clean it quite a bit, but that probably means that it has a little bit more flux in it, maybe. I don't know. But shoot, yeah, I may actually start using this, and it's actually cheaper. It's like 19 bucks for a 2-pound roll. So it's actually cheaper than the Hobart, and I think it's actually cheaper than the Lincoln too. So yeah, 19 bucks, 2-pound roll. If you want to get you some, don't hesitate. Don't be afraid of it. It's pretty smooth. It sounded really good. At 5, obviously it got a little hot and it wasn't filling fast enough, but you run it about 6.5, you do just fine. But like I say, that is an awfully thin piece of sheet metal. That's more like what I would use for patching holes in bodies, but and that stuff's really hard to do anyways. So anyhow, thanks for watching, guys and gals. I appreciate it. Feel free to subscribe, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.